Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Have you ever bought a birthday gift and needed to speak English?
Do you know how to ask about prices, choose a gift, and talk about birthdays in English?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a long and natural English conversation about buying a birthday gift.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills through real-life conversations.
Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment.
Now, let's begin.
Hi, Paul. How are you today?
Hi, Emily. I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm great, thanks.
I need your help.
Of course. What's wrong?
My friend David's birthday is tomorrow.
Really? That's exciting.
Yes, but I haven't bought a gift yet.
Oh, no.
I don't know what to buy.
Don't worry, we'll find something.
Thank you.
What does David like?
He likes music, sports, and technology.
That's helpful.
He also enjoys reading books.
Great. We have many options.
I want to buy something special.
What's your budget?
Around $50.
That's enough for a nice gift.
I hope so.
Should we go to the shopping mall?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Let's go.
Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome. Wow, the mall is very busy today.
Yes, there are many people.
Where should we go first?
Maybe the electronics store?
Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How can I help you today?
I'm looking for a birthday gift for my friend.
What does your friend like?
He likes technology.
I see. We have wireless headphones, speakers, and smartwatches.
Can I see the headphones?
Certainly.
They look nice.
How much are they? They're $60.
That's a little expensive.
What's the price of the speaker? It's $45.
That's within my budget.
Can we test it?
Of course.
Wow, the sound quality is excellent.
I agree.
I think David would like this.
Maybe.
But let's look at a few more stores first.
Good idea.
Let's check the bookstore.
Okay.
Look at all these books.
There are so many.
What kind of books does David enjoy?
He likes travel and history books.
Here's a popular travel book.
It looks interesting.
How much is it? It's $25.
That's affordable.
You could buy the book and another small gift.
That's true.
What about this notebook?
It's very nice.
And it's only $10. What's wrong?
I still like the speaker.
Then maybe you should trust your first choice.
You're right.
Let's go back to the electronics store.
Okay.
Welcome back.
I'd like to buy the speaker.
Excellent choice.
Can you wrap it as a birthday gift?
Of course.
Thank you.
Would you like to buy a birthday card?
Yes, please.
This card looks nice.
I like it.
Your total is $48.
Perfect.
How would you like to pay?
Buy credit card.
Please tap your card.
Done.
Your payment was successful.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Congratulations, you found the perfect gift.
Thanks to your help.
Now we're ready for the birthday party tomorrow. Are you ready for the party?
Yes, I am.
Did you bring the gift?
Of course.
And the birthday card?
Yes.
Great.
I'm a little nervous.
Why?
I don't know many people at the party.
Don't worry, you'll have fun.
I hope so.
Look, we're here.
Wow, there are many people.
Let's go inside.
Hi, Paul.
Happy birthday, David.
Thank you so much.
This is for you.
Really? Thank you.
Happy birthday, David.
Thank you, Emily.
I hope you like the gift.
I'm sure I will.
Would you like some food and drinks?
Yes, please.
That sounds great.
Please enjoy the party.
Thank you. The decorations are beautiful.
I agree.
And the food smells delicious.
I'm getting hungry.
Me too.
Everyone, thank you for coming.
Happy birthday.
I'd like to open some gifts now.
I hope he likes it.
I'm sure he will.
Let's see.
Wow, a wireless speaker.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Really?
Yes.
I've wanted one for a long time.
That's great.
Thank you so much. Paul chose it himself.
You have excellent taste.
Thank you.
And this birthday card is very thoughtful.
I'm glad you like it.
Let's test the speaker.
Great idea.
Wow, the sound quality is amazing.
It sounds great.
I'm happy you like it.
This is one of the best gifts I've ever received.
Really?
Absolutely. Good job, Paul.
Thanks.
That was a wonderful party.
Yes, I had a great time.
And David loved your gift.
I'm so happy.
Were you nervous for no reason?
I think so.
What did you learn today?
I learned many new English words.
Can you remember some?
Birthday gift,
Excellent.
budget,
Very good.
wireless speaker,
Perfect.
birthday card,
Great.
gift wrap,
Wonderful.
party decorations.
Excellent.
I feel more confident speaking English now.
That's fantastic.
Thank you for helping me today.
You're always welcome.
Let's practice another conversation next time.
I'd love that.
See you soon.
See you. Excellent job listening.
Today you learned useful English for buying a birthday gift, shopping, attending a birthday party, and giving presents.
You also learned how to ask about prices, compare products, and talk about special occasions.
Listen to this lesson again and repeat every sentence out loud.
The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and happy English learning.